Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to try and review this Jung Saem Mool Cushion Foundation. I have tried many cushion foundations from other brands before, but I have not tried one from Jung Saem Mool. And I used to love wearing cushion foundations, so I'm going back to my cushion foundations again. The reason I wanted to try this product was because it has medium coverage, and most of the cushion foundation I have tried before, they actually had light coverage. Also, it claims to be long lasting, and I wanted something that's long lasting and I do not have to touch up too often. This one is the Jung Saem Mool Essential Skin Nuder Longwear Cushion with SPF 50 plus PA+++. So I got this in 21 medium. So you can find the directions on the packaging. It says to apply by pressing the puff into the moistened sponge and pat the puff onto the face. And there's a saying from Jung Saem Mool, the beauty starts from you, just believe. So according to the packaging, this cushion is for whitening, wrinkle care, and anti-UV cosmetic. So there is also a refill included inside. It has a matte finish, and also it is moisturizing and can give a radiant skin, and it is long lasting. So each cushion is 14 grams and there should be 2 pieces because it comes with a refill. And when you open the packaging, you'll see the directions of how to replace the new refill. So this is the cushion and this is the refill. So let's look at the cushion. So the cushion comes with this cover. I think it's to protect the case. And this is the size of the cushion. So it's not super big. And I think it's a good size to carry around. So this is what you can see at the back of the cushion. So it comes with a mirror and also a sponge. So the sponge is very soft. I think it's a regular cushion sponge and you can fit in 2 fingers. And this is where you can put the sponge. And when you open this one, then the cushion is inside. So it is new, that's why there is a sticker here which protects the sponge from drying out. So to use the cushion foundation, we have to take off this sticker, and then the sponge is there with the foundation. And on the left hand side, we have the mix and touch. In case you have a lot of products, then you can dab it and then mix it here and then apply it to your face. And when you close the cushion foundation, you have to make sure it makes this sound so that the cushion does not dry out. Okay. So you can dab a few times. So there's a lot of foundation. So if you think it's a lot, you can just mix here and then apply it on your face. And then we can put it back here and then close it. So it leaves a very smooth finish, and as you can see, the coverage is quite good, but we do need to press more to blend this product. If you want to change the refill, then what you have to do is press this one, and then the product will come out with the label and you can get your refill. So the new refill also has the same shape, and then you have to put it back here and then press it down until you hear the sound. Then it's done. I can put my cushion back. I also want to show you what's inside the refill. So I can change this one. And then for refill, you'll get this one with a new cushion, because the puff do tend to wear out as you keep applying the cushion foundation. So I'm going to change it when I run out of the one in the container. So this is supposed to have matte finish. I'm going to try and show you how it looks on my skin. To apply, you can just use 2 fingers and then get the puff. And then it's quite sturdy. So it's quite concentrated now, so if you just do one dab, then it's enough. And if you think it's too much, you can just use this mix and touch and then do a light layer. But I want to get more coverage, so I'm not going to dab this time. So I'm going to apply this foundation on this side and compare it with my left hand side. So we have to use the dabbing motion for cushion foundations. Quite thick. I'm gonna try 3 fingers because the 2 fingers keep moving around. So I got this in medium, and it is still a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I think with shading it should look okay. And the coverage is medium, but it does say it's buildable, so I'm going to try another layer on my right hand side. Now this side looks much smoother than my left hand side. It does have a very light scent, but it smells nice to me. So actually the cover is really good now. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. So this is how it looks with the cushion foundation. So this cushion foundation has a matte finish and it does make my skin soft. Although it's not completely matte, you can still see a little bit of shine on my face. So it does give a healthy shine. But at the same time, I do have some dry patches here and it did make it more visible. So I think if you have a very dry skin, then it's not so suitable. But I think if my skin is hydrated, it's going to work well. So now I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup and see how it sits on this cushion foundation. So this is with the makeup. The reason why I got this product is because I'm looking for something that's quick to apply, especially early in the morning, because I have limited time before I go to work. So I wanted something quick to dab on and then get out of the house. So which is why I bought this cushion foundation. And most of the cushion foundation I have tried, they were really easy to apply and blend, but this one is a little bit thicker, and because it has medium coverage, I think it takes longer time to blend. Unless you want a very light low coverage, then you can use this mix and touch, then I think it's gonna be easier to blend. It does feel a little bit like my Studio Fix Fluid foundation, because that also is a matte finish, but it has a little bit glow to it. So this foundation also has a little bit glow. It's not dewy, but it's matte with glow. So I think the finishing is really nice. I'm just a little worried about the dry patches, because I do have combination skin, so my mouth area and my cheeks area here are a little bit dry, so it can make the dry spots more visible. So the dry patches here is also more visible. So I think this product is not good if you have a very dry skin and in winter. Since summer is coming, I still think I can make this work. The puff is really nice, it's really soft, so even though you keep blending it, it does not feel like, you know, you're being so harsh on your skin. And this product does come with a refill, so I think it's going to last me months. It does have SPF, but I do apply my own sunscreen. So overall it's fine. I do like the finish, but I would not say I'm loving this product because of the, you know, the patches. This cushion foundation is buildable, but the more you apply, the cakier it's going to get. So I think just 1 or 2 layers is already good enough. So it is now 2:46. I'm going to check later whether my foundation can last long. So as the time went on, actually my own oil and the sweat made the dry patches appear less, which was really good. I do see the dry patches a little bit, but it is less than when I just applied the cushion foundation. So overall, the cushion does last quite long and it does have a shiny finish. So I think it's a good product. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.